so I'm thinking, how should I do it? Because if I put the light on, it's gonna be super loud and I would have to do a voiceover again.
Do you want to do a voiceover?
I mean, sure. Okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my crib. No, just kidding. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my perfect wing every single day. It's kind of like my signature makeup look. I always have a wing. Yeah, I look crazy, and yes, I'm in my what do you call this?
A robe.
No, but this is for the shower.
Shower shoes?
Whatever. Come on in. Okay guys, let's get into the tutorial for the winged eyeliner. So I usually use the tattoo liner. I've bought like, I don't know, 7 of these. These are amazing. This one that I have right now, it's kind of dry. That's why it's not very pigmented, but I just start by doing the like line of the wing, and then I just start from the top, slowly filling it in, and then I start to do the inner corner, and then I just connect the line. I think it's a lot easier to do it this way instead of starting from inside and then working the way out, because if you place your wing, you know where it is, like you can shape it according to your eye shape. It's a lot easier and time saving, because like doing a wing is not easy, but if you have it down and you know where to place it, it's pretty easy if you have the hand for it. But this is, yeah, you can see one eye, the other eye, and that was pretty much it. I have to say, this is one of the most ratchet tutorials I've ever seen in my life. Okay, now we can go out of the room. Okay. Follow me. Follow me for the outro. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial to how to do an eyeliner with a pen. I do it every single day. It's something that like everyone knows. Like when you see me, that's what you recognize, the eyeliner. I usually always use the pen. I rarely use the pencil, but you know, on other occasions, if you want to smudge it, it looks really pretty. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know what else, but you should cut some. Okay, I'll cut this. You should watch my sweat-proof makeup tutorial if you're struggling with your makeup sliding off, if you exercise. Yeah, you should have a look at that. And on Sunday I will upload a day as a dancer, so look forward to that, and see you at the next one.